A day in my life as grade 11 student. I will introduce myself first. I'm Daniela Ramos from grade 11 Mount Hamigitan. So, let's talk about multimedia and ICT. What is the multimedia and ICT? What is multimedia? Multimedia refers to the interaction of multiple forms of content such as text, audio, image, videos, and interactive elements into a single digital platform or application. Example of multimedia: watching a video with sounds and image, playing a video game with a graphics, sounds, and animations. ICT, Information and Communication Technology. ICT is all the tools and technology used to store, share, and communicate information. This includes things like computers, phone, and internet, and software.